All right, today we're drawing the brain alien. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So, with this picture, I can't find the sketchbook. It's somewhere, but I pulled this post from an old Instagram picture, and I do love drawing, pen and ink on paper and doing shading that way. But I thought, hey, let's recreate this in Infinite Painter. That's what I draw in. That's my thing. So with that, it's going to look different. It's not going to have that same kind of feel of pen and ink on paper, but it will be in color, and it'll make it look a little different. But mostly, I just want to make sure this thing gets out there. I was kind of like, it's a shame that it's somewhere in a lost sketchbook somewhere. But did the pink brain under glass. I don't know. Maybe they can change the brain out. I don't know what I was thinking. I mean, I just love all that old weirdo 50s, 60s monster movie, B movie stuff, and this is kind of pulls from that. Also, I think of Mars Attacks as well, a little bit in there as well. I gave him a super 70s style spacesuit, which is like an interpretation of the 50s style stuff. Something looks like something Kiss would wear, or David Bowie. But that's it. It's pretty much just a flat painting or drawing or digital thing or whatever. So there you go. Comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for hanging around. I'll check you later.